Today we are going to make chicken masala Hyderabadi style. So let's start cooking. First, to begin Hyderabadi masala, we'll start with the chicken marination. For that, we'll do brown onion, which is also known as barista, which we'll use later in the marination. For that, first kind of switch on the gas, add good amount of oil. The oil is hot, we'll start putting in the onion. While the barista cool, we'll make the dry roast spices which we require for onion paste. For that, I will switch on the gas. First, I'm going to add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, dry red chilies. Dry roast the spices till they start releasing aroma or till they are lightly brown, and they are done. Now to make the onion masala paste, we'll add onion in the jar. After adding onion, I'm going to add the dry spices which we roasted earlier. To the jar last, I'm going to add turmeric, and now we'll blend it into a puree. At the halfway stage, the masala look like this. To make it more fine, we're going to add some water. Our onion paste is ready. Now we'll move on to the chicken marination. For that, I'll take the chicken. To that, I'll add the barista which we made earlier. I'm going to slightly crush the barista and sprinkle it on the chicken. I'm going to add curd. Next, I'm going to add in ginger garlic paste. And last, salt. Now we'll mix all this thoroughly. The chicken is nicely marinated. I must set it aside for a while. By that time, we'll start making the masala. Add the oil which we use for barista. Once the oil heats up, we'll add the paste. Cook the paste for at least 2 minutes and then we'll add the chicken. As the color of the paste starts to change a little, it's time to add chicken. Keep stirring the chicken in regular interval for at least 5 to 6 minutes. After sauteing the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes, it's time to season it. For that, I'll add red chilli and garam masala. And now I'm going to give it a nice quick mix. After mixing the masala nicely with the chicken, I'm going to add some water to it. I'm going to add little salt. After adding salt, I'm going to give a nice big stir. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 8 minutes. And there you go guys, our Hyderabadi chicken masala is now ready. You also do try this recipe and do let me know what you want me to cook next. For that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried.